Hey y'all, so the question came up what to do with all these part sheets that we've been making and how to incorporate them into your fuse glass or your stained glass. And so you get to see my messy studio and I'll show you some of the pieces I've made. So the table is a mess, I know, been busy. But in this stained glass, we took little square part sheets and made a display window. And then here we just took one that was one of my powders and made another window. And then this one, if I can pick it up, it actually has some raised texture to it. Let's see if we can get it in focus. And he doesn't have any framing at all. I just zinced him up. So we have stained glass, and then in fused glass you can take a piece of your part sheet and add it to a solid color and make whatever you want with it, really. These were rounds that I cut out and I used a rather large stencil on. Here I did the chemical reactions. This one was a part sheet that I created with frit and stringer and made it into a handkerchief vase. So there are many ways that you can use your part sheets, and you don't have to cut them only as a square. You can cut circles, obviously. Wow, so I made the bowl. And then these little guys I was working on, testing out some things. Here I put a layer of clear down, and then I used my stencil to make a pattern. And I don't think that I'm going to be brave enough to drill a hole in the top of this. I will probably attach a bale hanger, but you can definitely cut out little ornaments. And this one I did not put clear powder on the background first. I wanted to see how it would look different. But there's many options. I think this one, yeah, it's got clear powder on the background too, so it gives you that frosty look. And the great news is on the clear ones, you're just using Tecta, which is not as expensive. And honestly, I'll show you over here. I'm using my corners from my circle cutoffs to make my ornaments, so it's cost effective as well. Anyhow, I am going to work on part sheets part 3, which will have a few different methods to it, including, the larger frit and the stringers. By now I'm pretty sure you can figure it out, but I'll do it for you. Anyhow, I wanted to just touch base really fast and let you know some of the options that you can do with your part sheets. And honestly, this was just put on top of French vanilla. And this is a French vanilla. And my part sheet was actually sifted onto the vanilla, and then the clears on the bottom. So we full fused it so that that was on top, and then here the clear is on the bottom. So just some ideas for you. Thank you very much. Bye.